Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and fast free shipping. And get one of these in no time. Oh, this is the end of the year now, so Happy New Year to everybody. In case I don't see you in the next couple days. I don't know if I'm going to get any videos in yet, but I'll be somewhere in this cyber world right now, so might be on Instagram or somewhere, but I'm not sure about videos that are coming in yet, so we shall see. Well, let's see what the end of the year brings in. It's been an interesting year, though. Oh, alright. Very nice. Definitely this is the right time right now. And let's see where this is coming from. Elegear. Elegear. So check them out. I'll leave the link down below. You guys can get one of these. A lot of us on the East Coast. Alright, it's winter time. It's cold. But check this out. See what this looks like. Yeah, a lot of cool stuff you guys could get also. So take a second, click the link, browse around, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Kind of looks like cotton candy. Cotton candy, definitely my favorite. Oh yeah. Look at this. A rainbow blanket. Skin friendly. Double-sided flannel. Moisture wicking. Lint free. Anti-pill. Anti-pill. What is that? Never heard of anti-pill. Alright, here we go. Cut. Ooh, this is super soft. Ooh, baby. Plus, you can always have one of these in your car. Just in case. Look at that. That's very nice. I like that. There's a two-side. Boom. It's pretty long, too. There we go. Oh, here everything. Whoa. Alright, sure I'm going to do this. Brutus. Let's see if I could get it on the chair. That's pretty cool. Either girls or boys. You know, pink, blue. Perfect. Perfect for the kids' room. Perfect for your movie theater setup. Or your front couch. Or even to sleep in. So really nice. Super soft though. Really super soft. Definitely fall asleep easy on this. Ooh. Alright, check them out. I don't know, they call it rainbow, I call it cotton candy. But get them now before they sell out. Alright, YouTubers, Happy New Year to everybody. And be safe out here. It'll be over soon, so stay tuned. Good night.